Hi there, and welcome to the video on how to add a payment method to your wallet. Let's get started. Head into your account and select Wallet. You have two options you can add to your wallet, a credit card or a bank account. Let's start with credit card and click on Add a credit card. Add the cardholder name along with the card info itself and the billing address. Click on Save and your card is now in your account, ready to be used. Let's add a bank account now by clicking on Add a bank account. Choose your country and then fill in the information related to the account in question. If you don't have this information offhand, feel free to contact your bank and they will provide it for you. Once you're done, click Save. There you have it. You now have a bank account and a credit card ready to be used to buy things from organizations who use SmartRec. Until next time.